Hey guys, this is Megan with 1000 Generation Farms. I'm still fighting my cold, so I sound really good. Today, so I had told you guys in the last video that this weekend we were going to be handling some pork. So we're gonna kind of get ready for that today and go get the hogs. I'll kind of show you like the prep of what we're doing. I'm not sure if I'll actually get the whole process of what we're going to be doing today and tomorrow. But I will just try to show you I'll try to show you like the gist of it, what we're doing. And so, yeah, won't you come farming with us? So first off, what we're gonna do is we have to go get the pork. So we're going to hook the livestock trailer up to the pickup, and then we're gonna need some room in the big shed. So we're gonna pull some of the tractors out, probably just the 23010s, just kind of make some room. And then we need to take some tables in there and just some other little things. So just kind of try to show you as we go. And we are having some friends come over and help us. And we're pretty sure we bit off way more than we can chew, but we're just gonna try and do it. We have like basically all day today and then all day tomorrow. More help is coming tomorrow. So we won't have everybody today, but just gonna try and figure out, if we can do it. So something else we're gonna do this morning, Joseph actually turned the bin on yesterday. I'm not an expert at this, but if you have grain you're storing, a lot of times when the weather fluctuates so much, like depending on humidity and the cold front and stuff like that, you wanna keep your grain at a certain temperature. So you'll turn the fan on or off, depending on that temperature. This just keeps it from molding and from getting bad. So I think maybe that was the first or second time he's had to do that this winter. We usually do it probably anywhere from 5 to 10 times in a couple month period before we actually sell the grain and it's not being stored on the property anymore. So we'll do that here soon as well. Never fails, dead of winter, get a flat tire. My wonderful husband's fixing it for me, hopefully. We're gonna get the 3010, both 3010s out. Hopefully that'll be enough room in here because we're not moving that big old girl. Yeah, you see the tractor. Alright guys, so we're up from nap time and Joseph has the pigs home with us, so we're gonna check them out quick. There's a couple of them. Oh, there's all of them. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of the pork and they've got a lot done. Probably halfway, maybe, and it's been quite a while, like half a day at least. But I haven't been feeling too good, so we've just been hanging out. We're gonna chore quick, and then probably just gonna go inside. But we did go check on them, and they seem like they're doing well. So. Dog, stop. Where's my Scoopy? Yep, Mama's gonna get some food for the goats. There's Kitty. Hi, kitty. What y'all been doing today, goat? Hey, you gotta move. If you guys don't know anything about goats, they hate to get their feet wet, so they're all crowding in the feed bunk. It's hard to feed them because they're not spaced out. Oh, are you okay? You're sitting right in the mud. My friend. Eat. Oh. Hi, Bullet. This is the one who lost her baby. I don't know if I told you guys that. She ended up losing her baby because we fed it for a day and then overnight it just wasn't doing too good. So something that's been really nice about the guys being out here is that the dogs have kind of kept busy and man alive. Like some days I just need the dogs to like stay outside all day, and I can't always do that because we're right up against the road, and so there's always traffic coming by, and they've just been out and been busy, and it's been so nice because since I haven't felt that great, we've just kind of been inside hanging out, but it's nice to be outside now. It's so beautiful out. It's a little chilly, but not too much wind, so perfect.